Hey crafty friends, this is Mary. Welcome to What's New Wednesday on Cardz TV, and today I've got two new things to show you. I've got another card sketch for you. This is Card Kit and Caboodle sketch number 29. It's got all the measurements on here for you, and you can find this one as well as 1 through 28 over at my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com, and they're all free to download. And we're going to use this sketch today to make our card, and we're going to be using this new set I got from my sweet friend Linda, who's a close to my heart consultant. And this one is called One Scoop at a Time. This is a card making workshop your way, which means it comes with this instruction sheet, an adorable set of stamps. We've got these beautiful silver glitter gems, and we always get in these card making workshop your way kits 12 pre-scored card bases as well as 12 envelopes, and we get some cardstock and some beautiful double-sided paper. Now we get 2 sheets. This is one side, and it's got this cute little strip at the top that you can cut off and use for a border, and we're going to do that today. And then here's the other side, and I love this beautiful pink and white striped. It goes really well with these cute multicolored polka dots. And for our cardstock, we're going to get a pretty pink, a yellow, and a pretty white. So I'm going to take my sketch, I'm going to grab a card base, and we're going to put this card together. Now in this kit, one scoop at a time, you've got enough supplies to do 6 each of these 2 adorable cards. I love the pineapple and I love that ice cream cone. Here's the little stamp set. These kits are awesome, especially if you're a new card maker. They're just great. But I like to do my own thing, and I wanted to use this new sketch, so I went ahead and stamped the images, because I don't know if I'm going to put a pineapple or an ice cream cone on this card. But for the top of my ice cream cone, I used some Close to My Heart ink. This one's called Blush. For the cone, I didn't have any Close to My Heart in brown, so I used Memento Rich Cocoa. For the bottom of my pineapple, I used Close to My Heart Buttercup, and for the top of my pineapple, I used Close to My Heart Sweet Leaf. And I did go ahead and stamp this little banner because I think I'm going to use that, and for that I used Memento Tuxedo Black. And in case I use the ice cream cone, I went ahead and stamped this from the stamp set also in Memento Tuxedo Black, and I've cut it out and flagged the end. So I'm going to take my little images into my scan and cut them out, but these would not be hard to fussy cut, guys. If you don't have a scan and cut, not to worry. These are super simple to cut out. Okay, here's my little banner. The top and bottom for the pineapple and the cone and the ice cream all cut out. The scan and cut did a great job, but as I said, this is no problem to fussy cut, guys. I'm going to go ahead and glue the top on my ice cream cone, the top on my pineapple, probably put some foam tape behind them, and then we're going to put the card together, and I'm going to decide if I want to do the ice cream cone or the pineapple. We're going to go ahead and put our card together. And we look at the sketch. This is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card. I've got all my pieces cut out. And we've got a mat that's 4 by 5 1/4. I used some of that pretty pink cardstock. And I'm going to get that on. And then we see we have a 2 3/4 inch circle. And I've cut that out. That's going to go right there. Then we have a border that's a 1/2 inch by 4 inches, one that's 3/4 of an inch by 4 inches, and then a mat at the bottom, which is 1 3/4 inches by 4. We're going to start with that one because these other borders will go over the circle. Then here's our little polka dot one, which is the reverse side of this paper. And then this is that little zip strip from the top. Well, I've made my choice, guys. I'm going with the ice cream cone since I have the pink cardstock, because I think I'd rather put the pineapple with the yellow cardstock in the back. So that's what we're going to do. Now I've got my little ice cream cone on some foam tape, and I'm going to put that right there. Those little sprinkles on there. Then I've got Enjoy Life, and I put foam tape just on the end so that that can go across my ice cream cone right there. And then for 1 scoop at a time, which also came from that cute little stamp set, and I've got that as a little banner. This is on foam tape, and to help it stand out from the light colored papers, I went around it very lightly with that Close to My Heart blush ink, so it'll stand out, and I'm going to put that right there. Here's the finished card, guys. It's so cute, and it's making me want strawberry ice cream really bad. Now, I forgot the kit comes with these silver glitter gems, so I put some on the front of the card. Can you see that sparkle? And can you see that I also put Wink of Stella on that strawberry ice cream? And that really makes it look cool and frosty. Such a cute little card. So guys, I know you want to pick up this kit so you can make some cards with ice cream or pineapples or both. And as I said, you've got enough supplies in the kit to do 12 of these 2 cards that they give you the instructions for, 6 of each, or you can do your own thing and use your ice cream and your pineapple however you want. Whatever you do, it's going to be adorable. So I'm going to leave you that link to Linda's Close to My Heart site right below this video, so you can go over and pick this up for yourself. And if you'd like to get any of the Kit and Caboodle sketches, or if you want all 29, you can go to my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com. They're free to download. Just look up at the title. Underneath that, you'll see Mary's Card Sketches. And you just download them individually to wherever you keep your photographs on your computer. And you'll have them for future reference. Okay, guys, thanks so much for coming by for What's New Wednesday. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you'll join me again soon for another card. Bye now.